If you've spent any time on YouTube searching for the right solar system or inverter for an off-grid application, you've likely encountered no shortage of sellers claiming their product is the best on the market. The problem is that many of these claims aren't supported by any real engineering experience. In most cases, the people making them have no formal background in solar system design, manufacturing, or repair. Nor do they possess or even begin to know how to operate the lab-grade test equipment required to verify performance under real-world conditions. They're not engineers or technicians. They're simply salesmen who are paid a commission when you click on their discount code links. Since 1998, we haven't reviewed solar products like our competitors do on YouTube. We tear them apart. Every product we consider is tested down to the component level, not just given an amateur visual once-over or a single feel-good performance test. Our test facility is equipped with state-of-the-art lab-grade instrumentation, and nothing we sell gets a free pass. If a product can't survive repeated real-world abuse, it doesn't make it into our warehouse. Period. The products used in our DIY solar systems not only met our strict standards, they exceeded them. From electrical stability and thermal performance to component quality and long-term reliability, this is the kind of engineering we rarely see anymore. That's why we offer it with confidence under our DIY solar brand. No hype, no shortcuts, just proven power you can trust. We added a little music to this video because absolute technical dominance sounds better with a little bit of rhythm and a steady beat. We're Iron Core. We provide heavy-duty transformer-based solar inverter systems with massive surge capacity, long life, and real-world industrial engineering designed to weather the fiercest storms. Raw power, proven durability, overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent.
Sunshine's free and power ain't cheap. They got the deal that'll make you leap. DIY Solar's got the stash, energy for days, and you save that cash.
All of our systems feature higher performance, German-American engineered bifacial solar modules. And while many of our competitors don't include any type of solar module mounting hardware in their advertised system pricing, this system comes with US-made, high-quality, top-name brand Iron Ridge flush mount solar module racking and flashings, providing a stronger installation at our low advertised price.
You want it clean, you want it smart. They've got the tech, they know it by heart. From the desert heat to the mountain chill, they've got the gear to match your will. Wise hum, the future's here, no blackouts, no more fear. They like the way they lead the pack. DIY Solar's got your back. Power to spare, they're always there.
We use only the finest low-frequency, transformer-based inverters manufactured by Schneider Electric, headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts in these kits. With 160,000 employees and 1 million partners in over 100 countries, Schneider Electric is consistently ranked among the world's most sustainable companies. You'll never find one of those cheap, failure-prone, high-frequency, transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our inverters talking to the Chinese government like some of our competitors' inverters do.